this is Sir P. Today, I'm going to be talking about two things. The first one will be the former Jamaican footballer, the Reggae Boy, usually called Stone Love, was killed in New York, aka New York. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the rifle. I say them fine, and I tell them, say, 87s are constantly updating their arsenal while you are constantly updating your phone to call the police if you come up against said arsenal. Before we go into that, we just drop a quote unquote shots. And that's how the video my you walk or push now. We're like, under 60 seconds. Good while now them out, but I wasn't in a rush to make none because I like to offer the PIA, the Patreon squad, my audience. I like to give people value, right? I don't just drop something where just easy and lazy. You have to add value. So I was thinking for a long time, how can I add value using this new style of format? So now we have it. Let me just drop one. I'm going to use it for announcements. Like if something happened with the channel, or the video I got drop at a certain time, I want to build up some anticipation. I can use it for offer tips. Right? Some tips that you can use in them everyday life. Right? Whether safety or relationship. I can use it for giving updates on, like a 87. Right? Let's say, you get locked up. Right? Then he bust the case or something like that, and then if make a whole video about it. So I'm just make a tip and say, remember when I the video about him? Well, him that road now or this something. Right? Things like that. That's how we're going to use the shots. So the shots I dropped earlier, in case you don't see it, go check it out. 5 videos in one day. 1 video every 2 hours on YouTube. 10 hours. 10 hours, 5 videos. A 6th video will be dropping exclusively on Patreon. But for YouTube, 5 videos, 1 every 2 hours. PIAD. Complete takeover. Give the people them something to remember for the holidays. More details in the shots, aka the Roadrunner style. Quick and fast. So, Jamie Robinson, aka Stone Love. If you really follow football or local football, and if you follow football but then you follow local football, then you remember him. He used to play for Tivoli Gardens. At one point him get called up to the national senior side. That's why them saying a former Reggae Boy killed. Who would have known say next time we hear about Stone now? Would that be? The announcement say he got murdered. Was killed in Queens, New York. I'm telling you already about Uncle Sam place, Certain places in Queens and the Bronx and the Philly and them place there. The South Side Chicago and them place there. Highly acidic because the culture is the same. North America, the Caribbean, the same culture. So when you say Stone Love dead at Queens, New York. But I think so. But look how him escape, because people are link me and I say, look how him escape. Look at there are Pink Lane at one point. I say, look how him go Pink Lane and him survive Pink Lane and go did that foreign. So far the motive sketchy. So we don't want to go into it until 100% sure about it. But usual LIQ madness. It's a shame. Like you think say, Reggae Boy and him, that don't mean nothing. In the streets. I'm man of business born a Reggae Boy. Man of business used to play in football. The man of business used to wear the national colours on your shirt, and that don't mean nothing. They did see me. When the motives iron out completely, I do a follow up on this, but keep I get the question. Then him really left from Pink Lane and gone far and go dead at New York. That's because you think it's New York or somewhere. When we see it in the movies, you think New York a paradise. You think Philly a paradise. People just say, look YouTuber, you always a pick pan Philly. And I say pick pan, but I have to just say what it. Philly is one of. You can't pay me for live at Philly. I know people long that go big. You can't ever say that. And I can give you about 3 or 4 places in Uncle Sam country where you can't pay me for live. I'd rather stay in a chamber locked up, right, with people with big C than go back anywhere near Philly. So I have a place in New York where stay something. The bar them, if you even want to go have a little drink or go on a little spot, go with a little vibes, drowning in acidity. No, of course, me know, Simon, of course, there's decent places. I wouldn't ask no good people that live there. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the place, the culture is highly acidic. The same acidic principles apply. Don't inform, don't tell police, me not say nothing. The whole thing with Uncle Sam places, because them usually have whole heap of cameras on them thing there. Them can normally piece together things look better. Plus, I already know, say, regardless of the one neighbor who peep through the window. So, I will take my chances with Klansman before me go certain place now, Uncle Sam. If you force me to make a choice between Uncle Sam acidity and Iron Man acidity, I talk about the acidic communities in Uncle Sam, because it was a nation, right? Uncle Sam have a better murder rate, but when you break it down by city and them thing there, Uncle Sam have some city where a hell hole them there. Man, you set up a shop door, right, with big puffer jacket over your head in the middle of summer, and if you only make eye contact, he interpret that as an act of aggression and he ready to fight. Me don't know if a diet coke, me don't know if a season spliff, but some place now Uncle Sam build different. So again, so I put it out there because people are the fact say, you know, Stone Love that come from Pinkley and he play with Tivoli and man. People assume say, you know, now that's him the Uncle Sam place like him reach heaven. Which part him dead and heaven not hell that. I be telling you go back to Pinkley. And I know say the Iron Man them who the quote unquote Jamaicans them and them of course we are trying to and listen, I'm not saying there's no good parts and there's no good people. That is ridiculous. I'm just saying it's highly acidic. And I can't deal with Uncle Sam level of acidity. There's only some places in Uncle Sam country where I can go. Right? I avoid the rest like the plague. Ask anybody who live at them place. Certain part of New York, certain part of Philly and them places. Let me tell you right now, you get to a point where them don't even left the yard again. So I'm saying time we get a solid answer on the motive, then my job update on this. Next thing we want to talk about. The rifle them fine. Take a good look on it. When you see what gunman have, when you see what 87 have, the man have all the knee pad. Them man all care about their knee now, cause them man they want to skip up them knee, cause man say look more them have got touch a party in carry, so them don't want bruise up. Right, the man them all big pan skin care now, they don't want bruise up them knee. Just look on the firepower. Just look at what 87s are par with. But the ordinary citizen come and attack my 87. I've got to call the police. Hope say one jeep in the station, right, and already gone on the road. Hope say the jeep close by. Hope say the police them want to come between. Hope say them reach within the short window with 87 ago. I try to attack it because it's a very short window. That's a lot of hope. You really want to rely upon hope? That's not a good strategy. But Mr. I'm not in the business of changing nobody's mind. See, what we need is better cell phones to call the police. Meanwhile, 87s are stockpiling weapons that even some foreign militaries would love to have. The man them have everything. You have nothing. Except a phone. 87 constantly a trick out them weapons. It's not even good. They're not even satisfied with us having the rifle anymore. No, they want the best scope. They want the best compensator. They want the best suppressor. Right? They want the best red dots. They want everything. Aftermarket. Angle. Aftermarket this. Aftermarket that. But, like I said, good luck to us. Call the police. I hope they come in time. Whenever you see them type of things that get fined, you already know it's an intel. Because you don't stumble across things like this. And when time man give a gun under style, you know, sometimes I look a whole gun and they want to give and get a little money heat. Then I give a gun like this. So I intel and get things like this. Good intel too. But until they disrupt the network that allow these guns to easily drop in the air, man, this is just a one day story. Because there's more where this is coming from. Man, they spend their money on their rifle. Man, they spend their money on their gang. Everything a gang do is to furtherance of the gang. When they put on a big dance, put on a big show, it's to furtherance of the gang. More money equal more weapons. More bribes, more this, more that. There's no such thing as a starving gang around the place. That's impossible. A starving group of men can't run nothing. Gangs are wealthier than enough businesses in Ireland. Enough small and medium enterprises don't turn over the money where some gang are turn over. Anyway, I'm leave it at that. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.